Need a paper copy of your tax return for your records or a loan application? If finding the print button in TurboTax feels like a scavenger hunt, you're not alone. Today, we're locating the print option and getting your 1040 in minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. TurboTax makes it easy to print a copy of your complete return, including all forms and schedules, or just the main 1040 form. Step 1. Navigate to the Tax Tools. After you've completed your return, look for the Tax Tools or My Account menu in the left-hand navigation. In that menu, select Print Center, Print, Save, and Preview, or a similar option. Step 2. Choose what to print. You'll typically have two options: Print for your records, which gives you the full return with all worksheets, or Print Government Copy, which is just the forms you file. Select the one you need and follow the prompts to print or save as a PDF. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: always save a PDF copy for your records. Even if you think you'll never need it, always save a full PDF copy of your tax return to a secure location on your computer or cloud storage. You'll thank yourself if you ever need to amend, apply for a loan, or just look back at prior year information. So, just like that, you have a permanent record of your tax return. Keeping good records goes a long way in being prepared for any financial situation. Now I'm curious, do you keep digital copies, paper copies, or both of your old tax returns? How far back do you keep them? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.